When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
Our technician Eric was very knowledgeable and made sure the job of replacing our AC coils was done right. In the heat of the summer, our AC was back up and running quickly and in a dependable fashion. We were very satisfied with Eric and the other Abacus installers.
So if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.